The Langdon Center for Laser and Cosmetic Surgery offers a new way to lose fat and reduce inches without surgery. It's called CoolSculpting. It kills fat cells below the skin through a special freezing mechanism, and it helps to reduce areas that resist diet and exercise. Dr. Robert Langdon is back to explain how it works. Doctor, give us the details. This sounds almost too good to be true.
It is very impressive. This is a non-invasive treatment. It was developed by researchers at Harvard Medical School. It's been known for many years that fat tissue, if it gets cooled off enough, is vulnerable and can actually die off. So they developed a method that can treat specific parts of the body with cooling down to about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And at that temperature, the fat tissue will actually solidify.
Okay.
And it's much like a freezing process. And over the next month or two, a lot of the fat cells will actually naturally disappear.
Wow, that's fantastic. How does a treatment work?
The treatment is done on a specific area at a time. So it's very effective for bulges of fat like love handles and abdominal fat, tummy fat. There's a applicator, it's called, which is a device that will sort of suction onto the skin, and it actually draws up the skin with the fat. And then there are these cooling plates that will take the heat out. So the skin does fine. At that temperature, there's no effect on the skin.
Okay.
But the fat cells are vulnerable, and they will go through this freezing process, and it will actually kill a significant percentage of the fat cells.
And they're not coming back, are they?
They are, yeah, as far as we know, with liposuction, we're taking them away physically, and they're gone for good. This is CoolSculpting is a newer treatment, so we know there's definitely long-lasting results, but the treatment's only been out for about a little over a year at this point.
Sure. Doctor, if you would compare it to liposuction.
It has similarities because it's very focused on the exact area that is a problem. So when we do liposuction, we are treating, the parts of the body that really bother the patient, and we can do exactly the same thing with CoolSculpting, where we go directly to the problem area, and they're also similar in that you're actually getting rid of fat cells. So so it's really unique. There's no other treatment that can do what liposuction does in a totally different way.
Okay, let's take a look at some pictures, because you said you could see the results almost after one session.
Right. Yeah, so in as little as one session, there can be very impressive results. So this is a photo. On the left, we have the before photo, before the treatment, and the photo on the right is basically 2 months after the treatment. And that's usually when you'll see the full result.
Okay.
In this case, the abdomen was treated.
Yeah, and that's tough to get rid of with abdominal exercises. Sometimes you just have those stubborn areas.
That's right. Yeah. Unfortunately, exercises don't seem to focus very well on specific problem areas of fat. And this is a photo. This one I think was 2 months. The photo on the right is after the treatment. Again, the abdominal, upper and lower abdomen done. And these are the kind of results that we expect to see with liposuction. So it's remarkable that we can get these really obvious results without having to do any surgery. This photo here is only 1 month. The picture on the right is 1 month after the treatment. So here they were doing the flank area, the love handle area.
Or the muffin top area, as we like to call it.
Yes, and again, very impressive results. You normally, for the CoolSculpting, we would not expect to ever be able to achieve this unless we did liposuction.
Wow, pretty impressive stuff, and you're not feeling any pain while this is happening.
It actually gets numb, and it's from the fat cell perspective, it's actually a freezing process. It's not freezing like water, so it's not going down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature goes down to about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and the material in the fat cells is actually a liquid oil. It's a triglyceride material, and much like vegetable oil at room temperature is a liquid, if you put it in the refrigerator, it will solidify. So that same thing is happening in the fat cells, And that freezing process is enough to damage the cells and to get rid of a lot of them.
Great. All right, doctor, tell us about a free seminar tonight at your office.
We have a seminar tonight at our office in Guilford at 7 p.m. And we will be focusing on the new CoolSculpting treatment, as well as a lot of the liposuction treatments that we do, and other cosmetic surgeries and laser surgeries.
All right. Tonight at 7 o'clock.
Yes.
Very good. All right, let's put the information up on the screen. The Langdon Center for Laser and Cosmetic Surgery is located in Guilford. You could call 866-967-3855 or visit fatfreezect.com. Thank you so much, doctor.
Okay, thanks.
All right, up next, lifestyle expert Lori Green from Elizabeth Richard Gifts shares one of her favorite recipes when Styler returns. Don't go anywhere.